Good morning, everybody. So I set up down there the cowbell. See how we do with it. If I don't hit it at all, then I'm not worried about it. I'm gonna set up a playing card with a poppet on the back. See how we do all that. And then I got something else that I'm gonna shoot at. See how it works. Okay, let's see how we do. I'm gonna hit it and turn it sideways. I'm gonna go turn that around. Give me a minute, guys. Okay. See if we can hit that one more time. Then I'm gonna set up for a playing card with a poppet on the back of it. I have to keep an eye on my band. Looks like it's getting ready to come apart right there on both sides. I have to keep an eye on that. Get ready for the snap. Then I have to use my Axiom till I get the band replaced, so it's okay. I got it again. A couple of squirrels running around up there. Of course, now it's sideways. I'm gonna set up the playing card. Hold on, guys. So I was just looking at this cowbell, sitting there and wondered if I put it like that, would it turn the bell sideways? But then if it got hit hard enough, it might do that. I don't know, I'll figure it out. So now I have the cowbell playing card set up there. And I want to shoot through the center of it because it's got a poppet on the back of it. See how we do. A little high and to the right a little bit. Hang on, gotta turn it back around. So that one punched a hole through the card on the left hand side of the card. See if we can get the center. It was on its way, but then last minute curved. Threw a curveball at it, I guess. Single engine Cessna just flew over. Try not to put y'all to sleep. I think I got it. Let's go run down and take a look. So I heard that pop sound. See if it's it. Put y'all down. So it didn't punch through the center, but I got to pop it on the back. Y'all see that? And that's the first hit. Just punched the hole clean through it. And now that's the second one. Like and subscribe. We'll set up for the next one. Don't know what yet. We'll set up something.